Hello everyone. Now in our last lecture we learned about for loop. Now in this lecture we'll learn something a little bit more in detail about for loop. Now in for loop you can also bypass some of the statements. Now in our previous lecture I told you that the for loop has three parts. Now the first part was the variable part, which defined and initialized a variable. Now we could also do this outside the loop. We could copy the statement and paste it outside our loop, and now we can try and execute this. And we can see that it is still working. We can define and initialize the variable beforehand and then use that variable in our loop. We need not define and initialize it inside the for loop syntax. But what is important is not to forget to add the semicolon, regardless of whether we have defined our variable beforehand or not. The semicolon is a must. Now we can also bypass our update statement by using this x++ here. By using it here also we can bypass our update statement. Now we'll compile and run this. I forgot the semicolon. I will compile and run this, and we see that the code is still working properly. Now what would happen if we replace the update statement? Now if we replace the update statement and add no other way of comparison, our program will become an infinite loop. Infinite loop. We need a second one. See, this is what we call an infinite loop, that there is no ending to the program. The loop will keep on running forever. So you can skip the variable part and the update part, but you can't skip the comparison part. The comparison part is the most important part of for loop, and we cannot bypass that one. But the variable part and the update part can be bypassed the following way. Now that is all about for loop. In our next lecture we will learn about another loop which is called the while loop. See you there. Thank you.